enwe me say finance minister kasa wiye no Honorable Adongo kan sem bi say asem na mo kan say IMF bailout no ene abrabo papa amabo ne mamudi esisi akwan mu na ama na basa no wo se nye no korɛ na wotumre kyerɛsie wo se 2016 Ghana ye total wage bill I know sha sika editu aban adwumayefo wo mo sha aban ase nye editu o mo ka no na 14 billion Ghana cedis nanso so MPP for mo ba ye afi nko ano 22 billion Ghana cedis na say be 53% increase apagya ne mu ohanche mu be ye aduonu mu miensa etisi ahwani yi a yenu 2020 no na ma double ade no kura na obi amo se mo tutu niema yie na mu disika puduo sika kese sei na etua kade a na kyese wo man na ekoyachi wuya no sei
yo midafo yenua Adongo me yonko uko parliament finance committee ya hwibom na ya na economist ni bi o ha enka kura o se wage bill no consumption anya bia se o omampanyina na party abatumi mu na ese fa nipa mako nurse for efi be 2013 nyina atena fi bebe so far ye fa be 60,000 medafo ede be na be si wage bill no to amrantie ne mabawa bebiri ba egufia enya adwuma nye na sebe omampanyina kufu ado se adabi wanhwe adachi benyansu so boni ewo man so nti yentimi nya hwe kura na yemfa mu be 100,000 na in the form of napko no meb woman sia hwe kura wo de nko experiment after 3 years no benya employable skills na mo nya adwuma midofo eno no sa wage bill no ede be ne beto no ebe kosoro omampanya kufu ado se yankoya forestation na yemfa money in civil environment enipa be well over 20,000 ne faum so far no kekboma eyako 200,000 anye bia yinyai mamrantie ne mabaye nkotena fie na dache binyansu so bone we so na ase yempekwa bi so mo madwuma na wo fa nipa ma na dwuma no medofo nya katua no anebe kosoro na katua ne kosoro ne semini Adongo si yinyai enipa ne fa na ase wo ma ya faum no yemu nkotena fie. Now, only the consequences of unemployment. Does he know the consequences of unemployment? By the way, metaphor, there was DBA national income. National income no nya DBA adding a nation's income. Yenina yisikan kabomu. Na sika no yakabomu and your friend national income and I say gross domestic product. Abra entity me be free mono. Sa national income no say peja. Ya fasa Ghana for you do. Na sika 1,000 cedis ya cha obi ade 100 cedis. Nemo msa Ghana force sika no kobe 15,000. That's still that you do obi enya 15,000. International income no peja no. Na per capita income, individual incomes no, and so peja. Na sa dia national income to me peja no. Ebi ne o nema mi unipe. Efraba could be injectors. And efraba could be so withdrawals. Injectors no tem dia obey sa dia no. E din susansoa e massa sika ni nyini. E bit say consumption. A bit to say investment, a bit to say government expenditure. And the wage bill, a government expenditure. Now, the government expenditure, no better I create income. Income no be create multiples of income and jobs. Ultimately, no, it will feed into the national income. So, the economics part here, consumption or government expenditure is an injector. And it injects growth into the economy by way of increasing national income. All things being equal, of course, because mean to mean share the economy now. And to say all kind of there, if he say, no, I can't actually. I don't know the Libya said the music can sign it here. But if we say, there will be our own person, or so no channel. But my economic analysis now, but you could see point now, no dodgy, no channel. And if he say, a bunch of ya. Oshishe ediabwa entime mama fonte fiekeke wage bill na kosro wage bill has implication on consumption has implication on national income. It is true, but the question is unko debt to GDP ratio medofo debt to GDP ratio the change say you see Busian, Yanema, your produce to Ninano, to do send a Dikutuaka. Indianum NDC for the no. The Ghana Sika 100 cities, near the moon 73.4 cities. Ghana Fusika Ninano, say 73, near the moon 70.3 cities, 4 cities. Ekutria 70.4%. Ekutria eka. And then no can say based on rebasing numbers no. Say Ghana Sika Ninano 100 cities, yet the move 56%. And even though the wage bill is increasing, but the debt to GDP ratio has fallen from 70.4% to 56%. So how does it reconcile the two? When you're reckless spending, when you're responsible spending, creating jobs creating consumption adding to national income. But what is the alternative? What is the alternative to illiteracy? Free senior high school, what is the alternative to one phobia school? What you crowd than it is boosting. And it is better that we spend prudently. Now, you spend prudently, no. You're making sure, say, sir, investment in wages and consumptions, they so called, no. It may use better benefits. By the way, metaphor. Sanka your problem and physical IMF umija say enko. Consumption na is a wage bill na increase no. Sanka beti na magana fiscals no akoton chen. Enfam fa so bi ma. And come back say mun free programming. And no kra na nche no. Say ka Ghana ka fiscal deficit. Therefore say mun ni wotie fu ntimi nkofo kakra. Fiscal deficit no say revenue and expenses dia ka no. Say e ka em for Ghana for 100. Now I could be almost 105. Or a deficit of 5 cedi. You know, NDC pension, no. Not fiscal deficit, no. And yet 9.3. See, this can also 9.3%. MPP, this can cry, wage, you can. This can wage, fiscal deficit, no. About 3.9. Trouble two. Fiscal deficit, no. A car, you do no. About 3.9 versus Omukwampa no say wage bill no our form no. No mu the 9.3. Which means say the Ghana Sika year 100 cities. Omu di dia man ko 109.3. A broso 9.3. Yes so ye ba ye dia na ye de adwuma a broso only 3.9. Intino question me to mama nua adongo back no say even though the wage bill may be increasing as he suggests. And I think it is increasing because we are creating more jobs. How does he reconcile the reduction of the deficit to the increasing wage bill? It's prudent economic management. How does he reconcile the fact that wage is increasing, more jobs are being created, hence wage is increasing? How does he reconcile that with the fact that debt to the GDP ratio is falling? By the way, and when I had my friend opposition wahala no. Eba say here juma bi na nsusanso bi na montobi buy a war power yeah I want nsusanso actually opposition better wacha na union opposition for the fabino they want to be relevant into the end nam kwamu kura no muka sade na ye fe no opposition wahala na min nkikabi na sa opposition wahala no so no eye pobulibri na deba en na ya na abo mu no mkeka no machi mu pa nti de ba ni force de mo se kan da bia no e kan ko haiti ni kwa NDC there en sama na mkeka na san nyina no in many cases no eye opposition recklessness even in opposition they are being reckless. I hope say they will come close and let's talk and together we find a solution to our problems because they are supposed to be alternative. We want them to be there but responsible. Except that our prayer is that Kabaya Hubasimu, Komuntra Wanche, thank you, Shishel Mano.